Well, now I'll just water it for the next 21 days, twice a day, and hope for the best. Well, it's been 2 weeks since I put down that seed. Got the hummingbird feeders up. Starting to come in. It's started to get pretty warm and dry during the day. Yesterday was 90 degrees. I was going to start on the front walk and then realized it was going to rain last night, so I waited until today. It rained, softened things up, so now we're going to try and do some sort of a front walkway there, get rid of those stupid pallets that I had laying there. So yesterday I scraped this as smooth as I could. I'm going to get this grass out of here, make that a 4 foot by whatever that is, and we're going to use this leftover stone that we used on the treads of the stairs. I've got probably just enough left that I can do a nice little walkway here, pavers. So I got to dig down about whatever that is. This is about an inch, probably 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. Level this as best I can once it's dug down. Then I'm going to put some landscape fabric down as a weed barrier, because this is pretty hard pack anyway. It's not going to really shift around much. Over the weed barrier, I'm going to lay down some sand, so it'll help you kind of level the stones. And we're going to lay out the stones and see what we have. And then I've got some polymeric sand I'm going to use for in between as a grout. Well, this project took a lot longer than most of my projects, but I was able to boil it down into a few minutes for you, I guess, to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to let the sand just kind of settle over a few weeks. It's already starting to settle. It's been a few days since I finished this. Then I'll put that polymeric in here, wet it down, and it'll lock everything in, but nothing has shifted. Good way to do it. If you've got stones, whatever your thickest stone is, that's how deep you want to dig down below your grade, and then build it back up using sand or granite dust or any kind of really, really small aggregate so you can get the tops leveled. Then just fill it in and with sand or polymeric sand. Nothing wobbles, nothing moves, everything's good. So it took me a lot longer than normal because I've been doing a lot of work off camera that has nothing to do with YouTube. I'm helping a guy actually build his business and help him kind of get it to the next level. So I guess I'll continue this project maybe in the next video. It's got to go the whole way around, and along that wall I'm going to do sort of a mulch bed and get rid of all that ugly landscape fabric that's laying there that I just laid down so that water doesn't splash the red mud up onto the wall. That'll probably be my next landscaping project, so we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.